Versatility makes life possible. Diversity makes it thrive. For a society in constant motion, this is the new Volvo FM. A partner on the road, it's agile and smooth in every sense. Designed for an ever-changing environment. When you need to respond to anything and everything. It defines the rolling workplace. No matter the job, no matter the surroundings, the driver has the situation in full view. With innovations in fuel efficiency and safety, it's created to optimize your operation. This is to push progress, to get the job done. This is a new era of transport solutions.